Hey, welcome back to Manward, and congratulations, you've made it to the 4th video in our options series. I am Alex.
I'm Andy.
And if you came here first, let me just warn you that there were 3 videos that preceded this one talking about the key terms that define options, why you should trade options, and also how you can pick the right option for you. But today we're going to get to, I guess, the grand finale, which is actually making that options purchase.
I mean, this is going to be the more intriguing, the more exciting video, how to make money.
More clicks.
But it's important that you have the basics. Start there, and then come here.
Yeah, buckle up.
Jump over my shoulder here. We're going to enter the options trade that we talked about in the last video. So let me show you exactly how to do that. When you log into your broker, I've got TD Ameritrade open here. Don't get jealous of my penny in here.
You never want to show off that real account of yours.
This is it. This is all I have.
Oh my gosh.
So you're going to go in. You'll probably see stock versus option. Stock is almost always checked by default. Click on the options side. And we just hit here and we select our options. So basically it's almost like that Yahoo Finance page again. We just enter the ticker symbol for Facebook. To keep it simple, we know we want to call, we know it's near the money, and we want the June contracts.
And as a reminder of why we're doing June is because we're doing 3 months out from when we record this video, which was in February.
So we had the $220 call here. We click that and we hit buy. And it autofills this, so then we go over here, we have to take our action, we want to buy to open, almost always using the strategy we've outlined, we're buying to open. We're going to do 1 contract. So how many shares does that represent?
That represents 100, Professor Andy.
So in most of my services, I recommend a limit. In this case, what were those selling for? The price right now is $12.60, so we'll just do a limit. We'll just say $13. That means we won't pay over $13
Sure.
Per contract, and we'll have this in force for the day, and that's it. So we just hit review order. So all we'd have to do is hit place order.
Yeah, so that's it. I mean, there were a lot of items on that ultimate form that you have, but we've gone over each piece of it as we've gone through this series.
Follow those 3 steps. You know, whether you want calls or puts, figure out the timing, which is almost always 3 months out, and stay within 10% of being in the money, and that's it. I mean, that literally gets you right to the contracts, right to the spot. Sometimes you have an option of 3. Sometimes you just have 1 contract under that 10% range. Makes it super easy.
Yeah, so we've made our trade. We've shown you how to make a trade. What comes next? What are the possible scenarios that could come up here?
Yeah, so I mean, using this 3-step process, it's basically my buy and hold option strategy. You don't hear that term much with options. A lot of folks think you got to be day trading and all that. You know, with this, we should be holding those options probably for another 2 months. And what typically happens is we get a good pop somewhere in there. So this is designed to take advantage of a stock price move of 5%, maybe 10%, and we see the market will have a good strong up day. Those options will pop, and we might see 100% gain. And what I almost always recommend is when you have 100% gain in your option, sell half of it. You know, so if we bought 4 contracts, we'd sell 2 of them, and then we'd be playing with the house's money. We get our initial entry back, and we have nothing but somebody else's money in that account.
Yeah, and it's worth noting, this is, what I would think many people would consider a conservative options trading strategy. Like Andy said, you can day trade options. There are other videos on YouTube where you can learn how to do that. We don't like to worry. We like to help folks make money and not be checking over their shoulder or looking glued to their brokerage account constantly.
This is a great concept, a great strategy for novice investors. If you're looking to make your first trade, this is absolutely the best way to do it. But it's also a great way for experienced traders to invest. You know, you're bullish on Facebook. You know the company's going to go up. The earnings season's coming up. Here's a way to kind of supercharge that and leverage up without risking the bank.
Options, man, what a great way to amplify the gains in the underlying stock if you know what you're doing. And if you've watched all 4 of these videos, you should. So thank you for watching. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. We may do a follow-up video where we go through and do some FAQs.
Send us your stories. You know, I got a note from a reader the other day that she made her 2nd options trade ever using this strategy, and she bought 1 contract. She said she doesn't have much money at all, but she doubled her money and made $300, and she was tickled pink. Another guy wrote in, said using the Manward strategies, he made about $175,000 and sent us pictures of his dock that he's building for his boathouse and his new float. So it's really cool. Whether you got $300 or he had a $1 million portfolio, whatever it is, that's great to see, and that's exactly why we're making these videos.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll keep making more, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the options series and that you saw all 4 parts. If you have any questions, like I said, leave comments below, and please do subscribe for our daily digest. There's a link in the description. We talk about things like this and other cool stuff all the time to help you be a better trader, whether you're starting from nothing or you are already considered an expert. So, keep following us. Thank you for watching.